luxury meets precision, and the future is sharper than ever. Meet the 2026 Lexus NX, an SUV that blends elegance, power, and next-generation technology into a stunning masterpiece. Let's take a closer look. Front, side, rear, interior, performance, and everything you need to know before you hit the road. At first glance, the front of the 2026 Lexus NX immediately catches the eye. The signature spindle grille is now more sculpted and blends seamlessly into the body, creating a futuristic and aerodynamic look. Sleek, knife-sharp LED headlights perfectly frame the front fascia, while aggressive lower vents emphasize Lexus's new sporty direction. Bold, confident, and distinctly Lexus. Turning to the side, the NX has a coupe-like silhouette with smooth, flowing lines that create an elegant yet muscular look. Sculpted fenders embrace large, multi-spoke alloy wheels, creating a rugged, performance-ready look. The floating roof design and hidden door handles add to the minimalist, futuristic look, making it both aerodynamic and beautiful. The rear of the 2026 NX is where Lexus truly showcases its design evolution. Wide LED taillights extend across the tailgate in a striking L shape, creating a high-tech glow at night. An integrated diffuser and sporty bumper lines make it look ready to dash even when stationary. Every angle is designed to exude presence, elegant, dynamic, and sophisticated. Under the hood, Lexus offers a wide range of engine options, from a refined 2.5-liter turbocharged hybrid to a more powerful plug-in hybrid variant with around 300 horsepower. Power delivery is smooth, instant, and quiet, especially in EV mode. And with Lexus's advanced all-wheel drive system, the NX delivers performance and efficiency, whether you're cruising downtown or cruising along mountain roads. Climb inside, and the 2026 NX feels like stepping into a luxurious spaceship. The cabin is clad in premium materials. Soft leather, polished aluminum, and ambient lighting create the perfect ambiance. The large, curved digital display seamlessly integrates the infotainment and driver's panel, while the new Lexus interface responds instantly to your voice and gestures. The floating center console design adds a futuristic touch, while the seats, pure comfort. Supportive, ventilated, and designed for serenity on long drives. Lexus is expected to launch the 2026 NX in late 2025 with a starting price of around $42,000, rising to over $55,000 for the high-performance plug-in hybrid trim. Considering the luxury, technology, and performance on offer, that's a solid value for an EV crossover experience that feels close to luxury. So what do you think of the all-new 2026 Lexus NX? It's not just a redesign, it's a statement of where Lexus is headed, toward intelligent luxury and electric performance. Would you choose it over its German rivals? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more car reviews in the future.